thinking a lot lately about how January feels for so many homeschooling parents. January is tender. It can feel heavy, even disorienting. I honestly think that the start in January back to homeschooling is even harder than the fresh start that we have at the very beginning of the year, especially right now, especially this year. There's no shiny new school year energy, and we're not feeling particularly rested or inspired oftentimes. And right now, many of us are feeling like the world is a particularly disheartening place. This is what I've been thinking about as we get closer to Taproot Online 2026. And hello, if we haven't met, I'm Jean from the Art of Homeschooling. And I just want to say to you today that if you've been feeling like you're trying to find your footing again and things might feel a little off center, maybe a lot off center, I want you to know that you're not alone. I'm hearing this from so many homeschoolers right now. And this is actually why Taproot Online exists. This is a beautiful event created by a team of experienced homeschoolers. This live virtual gathering is coming up in just a few days, and it's not about fixing things. It's not about having a better plan or getting it all together. It's really about returning to your center so that you can keep going with more steadiness, courage, confidence. Over 2 days together, January 30th and 31st, we'll slow down, listen, reflect, and reconnect with what actually matters right now for you and your family. You don't need to arrive with answers. You don't need to feel ready. You can just show up as you are. If you're feeling a quiet nudge, if something in you is saying, maybe this would be supportive, I would truly love to welcome you into this gathering. You can join us from home with your candle, a cup of tea in hand, with your real, imperfect, beautiful self. We begin in just a few days, and if this feels like the right moment to pause and realign, I hope you'll join us. The Taproot team and I would love to walk with you through these 2 days. Learn more and join us at artofhomeschooling.com/taprootonline.